Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I have a review on these two products here. These are the NIP+FAB essences. They came out not long ago, like very recently actually, and they were on offer for £5 each. Before they were £15 and I saw £5. I saved myself £20 here. So this was sold on their website. They do sell NIP+FAB in Superdrug, not my Superdrug, but in specific Superdrugs. But they don't sell this. I have not seen this at all. So it's very new. So I have the unicorn essence and I have the rose gold essence. I actually had the unicorn elixir from Barry M that finished quite a while ago, and I haven't replaced it since because it was $6.99, and I'm like, do I really need to buy it again? Like, do I feel like it made much of a difference? I don't know. It was just part of my routine when I did my makeup. But then I got an email saying that these were on introductory offer as £5 each. I was like, of course I'm gonna get it. So I've got the unicorn essence and the rose gold essence. They don't have any explanation on them, so like how to use them, when to use them, all that stuff. So I went on the website, and for the unicorn essence one that we have here, unicorn essence, it says description: instantly illuminate your complexion with the unicorn essence, formulated to make skin look glowy, dewy, refreshed and revitalized. The serum primer hybrid can be used as skincare or makeup, leaving skin feeling hydrated and renewed. When used as a makeup primer, the formula creates the perfect illuminating base for long-lasting makeup. With a soft pink hue, the formula will also have a soft color correcting effect, making the complexion look healthy. Key benefits: so this is for the unicorn essence, which is the purple bottle with the white strip. It says key benefits: safflower oil, which has skin smoothing benefits; coconut oil, which provides intense hydration; rosehip oil, which is calming properties. Now I naturally have red skin, so the rosehip oil was going to be good because, you know, it can calm down that redness a little bit. And then it says how to use. I have looked at both of the products and the how to use is exactly the same. So it says use underneath your foundation to add an opalescent glow to your look, or use alone for a dewy, fresh skin look. Apply on to the top of your cheekbones, layering your highlighter on top for the ultimate glow. Now I'm gonna go to the rose gold essence, which you can see here, which is the white bottle with the purple strip. It actually has like rose gold, you know, drops in it. So the description, it says illuminate your complexion with a lit from within golden glow with our new, that's a spelling mistake still, with our new rose gold essence, formulated with gold flecks to make skin look radiant, dewy, refreshed and revitalized. The skincare makeup hybrid also acts like a makeup primer, ensuring an even and hydrated base for makeup. When the rose gold flecks disperse, a soft revitalizing effect on the skin can be seen. Key benefits: goji berry extract, which has anti-aging benefits. You've got acai fruit extract, which is antioxidant properties, and elderflower oil, which is anti-inflammatory benefits. Again, redness, perfect for me. And the how to use is exactly the same. So they both have the same how to use description, but their actual product description is completely different to each other. So I'll show you what this is the unicorn one. And it looks like every other unicorn essence serum you get. So exactly like the Farsali, exactly like the unicorn elixir by Barry M. Anything that has anything to do with unicorn, it's like a pink, glittery, almost looking serum. And the rose gold one is exactly the same as the Farsali one, with the rose gold flecks in it. Like, it's see-through, but you can still see the gold inside, like that. So what I'm gonna do, I don't know which one to add first. I'm gonna add both of them on my face regardless, like all over. I'm not gonna do half-half, because if I look half-half ugly, then that's not gonna be cute, is it? So I'm gonna apply it all over my face. I'm gonna do, depending on how the formula is, I think I'm gonna take the unicorn essence first. 1, 2. I'm gonna do 2 drops of each. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just going to mix it in my hand and just put it all over my face. It feels quite nice actually. Very smoothing. I'm quite surprised actually. It feels really smoothing. Makes my skin feel really soft. And I'm not just saying that, it actually does. In comparison to my Unicorn Elixir one by Barry M, this has less of a tacky, like it feels sticky but it feels smooth as well. Compared to the other one, it just felt like a rich, like hydrating serum. But this, I feel like it does have more of a priming quality to it. Now I'm going to add the Rose Gold Essence. Again, I'm going to do 2 drops. This one's more liquidy. It's more liquidy. Feels more like an oil, almost. You know, if you have any like spots on your skin that are like drying up now, I tend to put most of the product there to hydrate it, like really hydrate it. Feels quite lovely. These have gone back up to £15 now. It was a really short amount of time because when I saw the email they were already sold out. The next day they were back in stock and I bought them both. Took like a week or less, a little bit less than a week for it to arrive, but my skin feels really nice. I like it. I'm not even going to put any primer on top. I usually put a little bit of primer just in this area for my pores, but it does say it's like a makeup skincare / primer. Like looking up close to my face when I look in the mirror, it's like slightly glittery, like really glittery. I literally just applied some spot cream here and here and it's made it even more red. I don't know if I should be worried about that, but I'm going to apply some makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back and as you can see it wasn't exactly a look, but I still feel like I look glowy. Okay, well probably the reason is because I put a lot of highlighter on and I use Fix Plus with glitter in it. So I use Fix Plus Gold Light, so that's probably the reason why I look glowy in the first place. But my skin, it feels soft. I don't know if that's just my skin. I don't know. I don't be feeling my skin on a regular basis, you know. So to be honest, I feel like with continuous use of it, you may see a difference, especially if you have maybe red skin, because again, both of the products, one is anti-inflammatory and one is for rosehip. I think that was for redness. I don't remember. One said anti-inflammatory and I'm pretty sure this was the anti-inflammatory one. This one had the rosehip oil, which was good for the skin as well. Both of them, they have equally just as good as ingredients as each other. I feel like maybe using them together you get the best of both worlds. I will be back. I think I might just continue it on. If I'm going out and I come back, you can kind of see if it changes your makeup in any way. So it might make your makeup fall off, it might, you know, not fall off, but you know, slide off. It might not last as long, but both of them say they are like skincare primers, so it's supposed to make it long, and both of them, they're supposed to make it extra long because I'm wearing both of them. So I'm gonna go out quick because I need to go and pick up my Fallout 76 from Argos. So I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna keep this on my face for a while. It'll probably take me an hour to go there, come back, but I'll probably just keep it on. We'll see how it is. I'm going outside. The wind, the air, the pollution is just gonna be hitting my face, so we'll see if it makes any different kind of effect to my face. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and it's been 4 hours, I think, since I've had it on my face. To be honest, you won't really see much of a difference because it's skincare based. When it's skincare based, it usually takes more of a consistent amount of time. Like it just takes more time for you to be able to see any kind of difference or any sort of change, other than the fact, the only things that I can mention is that it gives you, I think it's the Unicorn Essence, it gives you a little bit of like a glittery look, or not glittery, it's not like thick glitter, but it gives your skin like almost a highlighted glow. Like you do see the bits of like shine. It is kind of glitter but not like chunky glitter all over your face. That one has more of a thicker consistency compared to the Rose Essence, which is more watery, almost oily like, but not oily. And what I can mention is that the way it feels on my skin, it makes my skin feel soft, almost like I have primed it, which is awesome because it is like a 2-in-1 skincare and primer, so which is fantastic. Other than that, I mean, there's nothing really else. Like, I'm looking at my screen, I can see my face, like I look flawless and all. That's just my foundation really, but other than that, I think with consistent use, you might be able to see a difference in your skin tone, maybe because, you know, the last ingredient in each of the 2 products, it was anti-inflammatory and calming. So anti-inflammatory and calming mean the same thing. It's kind of like redness, because you want to calm down the redness in the skin. And anti-inflammatory, you know, if you have sensitive skin, your skin turns red, and it's almost like inflamed. So they use those products to reduce the redness in the skin, which is like literally perfect for me. So what I can say is that they have fantastic benefits in them, fantastic ingredients, especially those 3 key ingredients they put in each product. I just think they're great for the skin, and also the Rose Gold did say it was anti-age. There was an anti-age benefit in this one, which is great. I mean, there's no better age to start when you're in your 20s for anti-aging and stuff. That's what I believe I was told in makeup school. But other than that, I think these are really nice, and again, they've gone back up to £15, but I'm pretty sure these are a decent dupes to the Farsali ones, because the Farsali ones are expensive. They're pricey, boo. Like, I can't bring myself to buy it. If someone buys it for me, like, I'll be extremely happy, extremely grateful. Like, I'll be like, oh my god, I got Farsali, I feel bougie. But right now, what I can buy for myself, like, I'm out here spending £52 on games, but I'm not out here investing in my skincare. Where's the sense in that? I don't know. But if you find a deal that's £5 each on NIP+FAB products, that's what I'm gonna do. So that's what I did, and I'm very, very happy I found these for £5, because I love my NIP+FAB products. I love their glycolic pads, the nighttime one, the nighttime extreme ones, and the day ones. They're fantastic. The dragon's blood, the serum drops, they're like, I love them. So to find these for £5 each is fantastic, because I ran out of my elixir, my unicorn elixir by Barry M, and I needed something else to substitute that, and now I got these 2, which is great. I'm going to use these every single day for when I put my makeups on. So yeah, that was kind of my review, tried and tested. I mean, there's not much to say when it comes to skincare. When it comes to makeup, you can talk about everything because you can see it. When it comes to skincare, it's all about how you see it on the skin, but you can't exactly see immediate effects. When it comes to foundation and mascaras, you see the immediate effects, but when it's skincare, you just don't really see it. But I mean, I say I look pretty normal, but for the way I felt it on my skin, it felt smoothing, it felt hydrating. I think I might put maybe 3 drops of each instead of 2, because I feel like that will get my entire face better without soaking it. So I think maybe 2 wasn't enough. It was enough to do my face, but I don't think it was enough. So yeah, that's that. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.